One of the hardest parts of running a business isn't just getting people in the door, it's staying in touch with them. Not because they don't want to hear from you, but because messages get missed, inboxes get crowded, social posts don't always land where they need to. So you end up resending things, following up manually, or just hoping someone shows up. Easy texting is one of the tools that can make that part of the job way easier. It gives you a way to send messages people are actually going to see. You can confirm a booking, run a quick promo, share an update, whatever needs to go out, and it's all in one place. It works whether you're texting a handful of clients or a list in the thousands, and it's built with small teams in mind, so it doesn't take much to get going. Now in this video, I want to walk you through how it works, I'll break down the pricing, and you can decide whether it's the right fit for what you're doing. Now, the way easy texting is set up makes it pretty easy, pun intended, to get into, especially if you've never done this kind of thing before. You just start by picking a number, and then there are a few ways to go depending on what kind of vibe you're going for. You can grab a local number that feels familiar, or use a toll-free one if you want something more professional. And there's also, if you're sending a ton of messages, you can set up a short code. You can even turn your business's existing landline into a text-enabled number, which is really helpful if that's what people already know you by. Now, once that's in place, you start building your audience. Some people will use keywords where someone texts a word like join, right? And then they get added. Others might put a QR code on a flyer or use a sign-up form on their site. However you do it, those contacts flow directly into your list, and you got opt-in and opt-out tools baked in from the start. From there, you're ready to send. You can write a message, tweak a template, or use the AI tool to help draft something up. What's nice is the whole thing feels connected. The tools that grow your list also make it easier to keep people engaged, and that loop kind of runs on its own once you got it going. And if you've ever tried to build a list from scratch, you know it's not about getting names, it's about catching people at the exact moment that they're willing to say yes. Now, easy texting makes that part feel natural. If someone walks into your shop, you got a little QR code on the counter they can scan. Or maybe you're running a class or a workshop and they just send a quick text to your number before they leave. Online, you can plug a sign-up form straight into your website or drop a link in your bio. However people find you, there's a way for them to connect without adding another step to your day. And once they're in, it all stays organized. You don't have to clean the list manually or remember who opted in. Easy texting handles all that. People can unsubscribe with a reply or confirm sign up through double opt-in if that's what you prefer. Everything stays legally compliant without you ever needing to think about it. You can tag people based on what they signed up for, group them into interest lists, or just keep it all under one roof if that's easier. There's no rigid setup. It adjusts to however you work. What's nice is it's not trying to turn you into some lead gen machine. It just gives you a reliable, lightweight way to stay in touch with the people who already want to hear from you. Now, actually sending messages through easy texting, well, that actually it feels more like texting from your phone, just scaled up, like in a way that makes sense when you got a whole business to run. You can write a message and send it right away, or schedule it if you got something coming up later in the week. That means you can confirm tomorrow's appointments today, or line up a promo before your lunch break and not have to think about it again. And if writing is really not your thing, I get it, me neither, there's an AI tool built in that will get you started. You just tweak a few lines, add your details, and you're done. And if you got a few go-to messages, like a class reminder or saying your order's ready, got millions of those, you can save that as a template and reuse them when you need. You can drop in images as well, which works if you're sharing something visual, like a special or a flyer or a nice shot of what's new this week. And when someone replies, it doesn't just vanish. You get their response in a shared inbox where you or your team can jump in and follow up. And that's especially helpful when people have quick questions or need to reschedule. Those little conversations, they don't get lost. When you're busy, that's the part that tends to slip. Now, if you are thinking about trying easy texting, there's an affiliate link that I'll leave down below in the description, and it doesn't cost you anything extra to use, and we might earn a small commission if you decide to sign up. Sometimes there are extra deals or discounts through those links too, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Okay, so as far as pricing, easy texting kind of adjusts to the right size just for where you're at in your business. If you're just getting started, the entry plan is called Launch. It's $25 a month or $20 if you go yearly. You get a local number, support for up to 500 contacts, and 500 message credits each month. That'll usually cover light updates, reminders, or a small promo every now and then. If things start to pick up, Boost is the next step up. It's $75 per month or $60 on the yearly, and the message volume goes up with it. You also get better delivery tools, and they waive the telecom fee that's on the entry plan. The next one up is Scale, and that's $125 a month, or $100 if you pay for the year, and it's designed for folks who manage bigger lists or text more often. The plan uses a faster number type and includes access to an onboarding specialist to help you get everything dialed in. And then there's the enterprise one that starts at $3,000 a month, and it uses a dedicated short code. So it's definitely not for everyone, but if you run in massive, large-scale campaigns, it's there. It's an option. And all these plans include AI tools, images, growth features, and unlimited contacts. If you go over your monthly message credits, there is a small per message fee, but nothing is unexpected here. It's one of those setups where you can start small and scale when you're ready without losing the stuff that was already working. Now, Easy Texting has a lot of cool stuff, though if it's just you running the show, you probably won't need every tool in here, but if you got even one other person helping out, whether that's an assistant, a front desk, or just someone checking messages on their phone, this is where Easy Texting starts to earn its keep. See, there's that shared inbox I mentioned earlier. That means anyone in your team can see replies and follow up from the same place. So there's no more missing messages that are sitting in someone's email or getting missed in a text thread. You can assign permissions as well so people only see what they need. Then campaigns can be scheduled in advance, and there's a visual calendar that makes it easy to space things out. If you got regular promos or reminders, you can map those out ahead of time and not have to think about it again. And there's also some great automation here as well. You can build simple workflows like sending a follow-up message a day after someone signs up or pushing replies to a CRM. It's not overly technical, but it's enough to take a few repetitive tasks off your plate. And if you're tracking how things are going, there's a dashboard with reports. Stuff like response rates, click-through, overall volume. Again, nothing too heavy, but it's a nice, clean way to check that people are actually seeing what you're sending. So if you're running a business where communication really matters, where missing a message can mean losing a booking or forgetting to follow up costs you a sale, then Easy Texting is one of those tools that just makes the rest of your systems work. It gives you a better way to reach people and a cleaner way to keep up when they write back. You can start small, use what you need, and grow from there. And if your day-to-day already feels full, this is one of the few platforms that really can take something off your plate. If that sounds like something that might help, there is that link down in the description. And like I mentioned earlier, there are sometimes special deals there that you won't see on the company's main sites. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. I really hope this gave you a clear sense of what it's like to actually use Easy Texting, and if it did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up on the video. If you got any questions, leave those in the comments. I try to answer as many as I can. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.